So this is basically a Rubik's Cube, and today I am going to show you how to solve it. A 3x3 Rubik's Cube, the most easy method on solving. So first I'll solve it and then I'll show you how to solve it. This is a solved Rubik's Cube that is solved only now, just now, and now I'm going to restart it and then I'm going to So this is the distorted one. Now first we'll have to choose one side and one color from which we're going to start. So I'm going to choose the green color. So first I have to make a green cross like in here. So I'll have to adjust the pieces. I got this. Now I have to get this. So let me see, where is the green? Here. So this is the one. I got the green cross. Now I have to place the edge pieces. See here. Now with this, by seeing the center color. Now the center color is orange. So this color should also be of orange, and here should be green. So see, where is the orange? So here is the orange one with the green. Now I'll only have to place it in here. And here it goes. Now I have to get another orange and place it in here. Now the orange side is fulfilled. Now I'm starting with the yellow. So two yellows are already arranged with the green. So now one more yellow with the green. Arranged. Now here goes the red, and this is red. So now here red and this side is completed. So I'm going to choose the red, because if I'm going to go with the white, then this will going to distort the whole these two colors. So I'll have to see from edge to edge now. And this is the red, so here should also come red. Red is complete. Now I have to see the another edge, that is here the edge is white, so here should also come white, and here white is also on one white with the green is left, and here's this. Just push it, place it back, bit back. So here, see, green side with all the colors arranged. Now I have to arrange the center, this center line with above center pieces. Red, red, others get already by themselves arranged. Yellow, yellow, orange, white. Now I have to use a simple algorithm. Just see. This is the one. Now I have to see. So this is the cube, and it was like this. Now I have to see which side I'm going to place. So we have completed our green side. Now we have to use some algorithm. So first algorithm we will have to use is this. Now we will have to from the green side just the opposite side, this. Now we have to see the colors. Like here is the yellow color. So yellow color. So if we want to place the yellow color, so no, I'm going to reduce. This is the yellow color. So if we have to place the yellow color, we have to see the color just above it. This orange color. Now move it and place it with this. So here orange and here comes the yellow. Now we have to see on which side yellow is. Yellow is here. So we have to move this, the orange which contains this, to the side opposite to that of the yellow, like this. Now we have to use this algorithm. Move it here, push it here, and move it up. Now just place the green one in the position. So it's simple. Here goes, here goes another, here goes another, and here comes. Now if you see, both the yellow and the orange are arranged. Now we have to do the same with this. Now if you look at this, the slight look, then you will come that we have to just rotate it. Here's the red and here should come. Here's the white and here should come. But we can't do this in a simple way. So we have to pick some other color. So blue, but here yellow, white, and here's the blue. But if you look at this, so there is no blue one. So fill it at any place with this opposite of the on the edge of white color. So here is the white, place it in the edge. Now move it on in the opposite direction, just like the same algorithm. Move here, move up, come down, move there. So now our whites are arranged, but here is the culprit, that's the blue. So change it, simple. Red, place it in the red. See the white, move it in the side opposite to white. Push it down, bring it here, move it up, up. Bring it here, push it down, move it here, push it up. So here, if you see, all this arranged. Now here comes the most simple and most difficult part. From the green, means the side you have chosen the first. Rotate it 180 degree. Now we have to make this line. This line, for making this line, it's very simple. Sometimes it gets arranged by themselves and sometimes you'll have to make it. Simple. The algorithm is very simple. Move it in here if you want to make this line. Choose any side which you want, but choose such a side which contains this in position if you want to make this blue line. So I'm going to show you from the starting. Now do not think of this, but think like it only contains only this without any this. It should be of any other color. Now we have to make this line by now we have to make this line. So I'm going to show you how to make this line. Probably you must not be having this same line in here. You must be having like this with this of any color. So first choose any middle piece of the uppermost layer. So like if I'm going to choose this orange one, here it goes. Now I have to use this simple algorithm. Move it like this. But the algorithm should be on the side which contains this mark of any color. So algorithm starts here. Move it like this. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it comes back. This and this. Now you must be thinking that I haven't got that cross yet. Now I have got it out. So choose any side which you want and use the same algorithm. This, and this. Now I have got the two pieces. Now arrange any side. So I'm going to arrange this orange one. This done. So with this pattern here, same algorithm. I have got the line. Now I have to apply the same algorithm, but the lines should be like this to the side which you're going to choose in this way, and it should not be in this way. So this should be the way, and apply the same algorithm. This, and this, and here it goes. So I have got the blue cross. Now after getting the blue cross, I have to apply the same algorithm, but with the side that contains this special cross. This. Now you must be thinking that why I get this. Choose again this side. This. Same algorithm. The line got. Now same algorithm. This, and this. So basically I want to get this. Now you must see that any of my sides except for this yellow one are not in the position. So I have to use now another algorithm by which my sides would get in position. So first I'll have to choose a side which I want to be in position. So let me see, but before this I want to show you that if you move, originally it was like this with only yellow, but if I move it like this, then I got two things in position. Now I have to choose a such side which haven't got any like this in position. This. So the side is this, neither here, neither here. Now I have to use another algorithm. So algorithm is simple. Here. Goes. Now if I move it like this one more time, you will see all these are in position. I have got this mark into this. Now I have to choose, I have to pick and place. So first see this, any of the sides which have exactly any of the cube of the edge pieces of the uppermost layer which have got the exactly same colors that must be there. So see, blue, here's the blue, red, here's the white, but white is not here. Another orange, here's the orange, here's the blue, white, another wrong. So I can see that no one is having that. So take any of the HPs and use third algorithm. This, 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 and this. Now, if I'll see that, see, yellow, blue, and red are in position, but they are not placed in correct way. And here, blue, red, no, wrong. These are all wrong. So we have to choose this with the extreme right hand, this, and we have to use this, the third algorithm. Now, if you'll see this position, this again not in position, this again not in position, and this again not in position. So apply the same algorithm once more. Now see, position, blue, orange, yellow, position, blue, orange, white, position. So all are in position. Now we have to just invert these edge pieces. So now the algorithm which I am going to show you is the longest one, and it's the fourth and the main algorithm. So choose any of the pieces and start it. So here ends the algorithm for the first one. Now we have to do this with all the remaining three. So choose any one. So this, done. So two are left. Now apply the same algorithm once more. That's the fourth algorithm. Now if you can see that these are again the same, but if you can see, now we have to apply that fourth algorithm once more. And it's done. The cube got arranged.